We are here at Auto Vault in Taguig, and my car just got a brand new Modesta treatment. Pero ano ba yung Modesta and what is Auto Vault all about? Papi Rack, tell us what Auto Vault is all
Hi
about.
guys, welcome to Auto Vault. Welcome back. We have here Mr. Sam YG and his 991. So what we did with Sir Sam's 991, si Boss actually reached out to us to clean and prolong the leather of his car.
Because actually, diba, after after using your car, you get your usual wear and tear. Siyempre,
Correct.
minsan hindi maiwasan.
Yes.
Pag maganda yung girly, hindi tayo kumakain sa kotse. Pero pag maganda yung girly, papayagan natin. Pero pag hindi masyado maganda, bawal kumain.
Correct.
Diba, of course, you have all these things happening, leather wear and tear. Just like your leather shoes.
Yes.
Kailangan din clean.
Yes, always clean dapat.
Always clean and even protect it, keep it soft to get that nice feel. Diba, nagmamanasa ka ng kotse.
Correct. So what we did on his car, we treated it with Modesta leather protection system. What does that do is...
Ano ba muna yung Modesta? Maraming alam ang Modesta, pero ano yung Modesta?
Modesta is a Japan brand glass coating, but our chemicals are application specific. So we have applications for your paint, your windows. We also have high temp coatings for your wheels and calipers.
Wait lang, so you're telling me, iba yung ginagamit for the paint, iba for the leathers,
Yes.
iba pa yung sa wheels?
Iba-iba.
Okay, depends on the material.
Yes, correct.
Okay.
So we have for any application leather. If you have suede or Alcantara interior, we can do that as well.
Medyo sensitive yung mga ganun, di ba?
Yes.
Because for those who don't know, I'll just break it down easily, no? Kung meron kayo ng mga, remember the Samba, ng mga Adidas na shoes, di ba? Remember how the top portion, minsan it gets parang nubak, medyo
Yes,
dumudumi.
yes.
Tapos di mo alam paano linisin.
Correct. If you have those shoes, call us or...
Pati sapatos gagawin mo!
Yeah. We
Ano
also
you
do.
do?
We also do.
Okay.
We also do bags, even watches. Pwede.
There we go.
Yeah,
So
so-
any application, any type of leather.
Correct.
Okay, now why is it important to protect your car with Modesta?
Of course, like yours, boss, very expensive. You don't want them looking a little bit tired pagdating ng time.
No.
So
Panlas pa.
we want to prolong the appearance as well as the look of your car. Pati na rin, of course, your paint. And of course, pag mas pogi yung car mo, mas mataas yung sale value.
Okay. And of course, now that you feel happy using the car. Diba? Iba yung feeling na, na pogi, tapos sarap ng feeling sa car. But, let me ask you, maintaining your car like this, mga ilang years, like I just got mine done.
Yeah.
After when should I come back for a reapplication?
Actually depends, but our warranties are, madali naman kami kausap ko. If there's anything that you feel na we have to do, we'll rectify it for you. But on
But normally, let's say, wear and tear, you use your car
Yearly.
every day, yearly. Once a year, you wanna, get it
wanna
maintained.
check everything,
O yun.
rectify everything. So at least yearly, pogi yung car mo.
O yun. And for the exterior, hindi rin maiwasan yung mga little scratches here and there. We're not talking about, bangga. We're talking about nasagi na susi ng gano'n, nasagi ng gamit, you're carrying your stuff, natamaan, those little things. Kaya rin mawala yun.
Of course.
And, eto, pinakaayaw natin, ha? Mga white stains. sa glass, mga white stains sa glass, mga natuyuan, diba? Minsan, hindi mo matanggal,
Sa'yo,
diba?
boss, hindi na mangyari naka-Modesta na.
O yun, it keeps it protected as well. So I think,
So, walang huli.
walang huli, walang sabit. I think protection is key. You want to maintain your car, keep it in good condition. Lalo na ngayon, summer is crazy. The sun really takes a beating, or your paint takes a beating because of the sun. Tapos papasok yung rainy season. Isa pa yun. Diba? Your car's paint's gonna take a beating as well. Both interior and exterior. You want it spick and span. Any other things that you guys offer here at Auto Vault?
Basically, we're a one-stop shop. If you want parts, if you want
Massage?
paint protection film, massage, soon. Pero wala pa. But basically, we can do everything for you, like tints, PDR, painting. We can also do that for you.
And I understand, ang cheeses, meron na kayo maliit na bar dito. malapit na, hindi
Yes.
pa soon to come.
Yes, yes.
Okay, now of course, follow them on their social media accounts.
Thank you, boss.